Hey everyone, it's me, Cheryl Couture, and I am really excited right now because I just found a YouTuber who teaches you how to grow your page, get views. He has strategy, he has proven systems, and he also have examples on his page. And I'm gonna tell you the name of this YouTuber. He's been on YouTube for over 17 years. And I'm just like watching stuff. Like I ain't really watching, I'm just listening, let YouTube play and listen. And this is extremely crazy stuff that I never would have thought of. Like never ever would have thought of. And from the moment I started watching his stuff, I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna do exactly what he's saying and see if I can grow. I started a new YouTube page that's basically dedicated to women in the healing space after heartbreak and stuff like that. And I know it get redundant, but I've been doing so much research and been finding out so much stuff when it comes to healing. I've been on my healing journey for a very long time. And I was just like, you know what, this stuff that I'm learning, I can't keep to myself and I can't tell everybody about it at one time. So the easiest thing to do is to make a YouTube channel. It's definitely going to be faceless. But everything that I'm learning, I'm putting on that channel through video or whatever. So animation, let me say that, not automation, animation. So it'll be animated videos and stuff like that on it. Anyways, we're not here for that. We're here for this good stuff that I've learned so far. I haven't finished watching all of his videos, but the ones that I've watched, the most recent one, he just did a YouTube page for one of his friends, and he started him a new page. Now his friend's old page already had subscribers and stuff like that, so he was kind of hesitant about it, but he was just like, you know what, I'm gonna trust him doing my page over whatever. And in 10 days the man got 12,000 subscribers. I don't remember how many watch time hours, but it was over the amount to get monetized. 10 days. And I've seen people do it in 72 days and 60 days and all that stuff. I seen one girl get monetized in a week. Okay, but she don't have the subscribers and how much this guy has made on YouTube. She hasn't made that much. She made like a couple $100s. This man has made thousands of dollars. Okay, so me, I am going to say that I'm going to follow him. And the other girl, she was just like, just post, just post. He's very strategic about what he's doing and what he's saying, to the point where he said, do not combine your long form content and your short form content on the same page. I never even thought about that. Okay, I'm not a YouTuber at all. I love to make content, but I'm not a YouTuber. And I was just like, you know what, this makes sense, because when I say I get absolutely no views on YouTube, I get views. I had one video that got a lot of views, but I have hundreds of not hundreds, I ain't gonna say it. I got a couple of videos on my page, and I've had this YouTube channel for a very long time, but I'm just never consistent with it because it's very defeating when you post and stuff and not getting no views. So anyways, since I have this new channel that I'm doing, I'm gonna follow exactly what he says, and I'll let y'all know. Hopefully I remember to update y'all on it. But right now I'm deleting all my short form content that's on my page that I already have on the I am Cheryl Couture page. I'm deleting all the shorts off of there because they're not. I mean, one of them got like 5,000 views, but that means pennies. That don't even make you no money, honey. When this, oh my God, this man, I can't wait to tell y'all his page. Anyways, so the notes that I have: when you're doing a new YouTube page, when you first release your videos, you want to do 2 videos at a time. You're not going to do it the whole time, but you're going to release 2 videos. That's it. Okay. This is for YouTube to track. Okay, so when you're watching a YouTube video, like when you actually sit down and watch a video, they show another video. If you're watching somebody new, 9 times out of 10 they show another video from that same creator. And I know, because I've been stuck on YouTube for the last 3 days. I've been watching every YouTube video there is, because I have to have this passive income coming in from these social media networks, because there's no reason why I shouldn't be getting paid by Meta and YouTube and TikTok and all this stuff. If I'm on there using their platform, I need to be getting paid from it. I don't just need to do it socially. So anyways, that's my little rant about that. So when you first make a new, I don't care how many subscribers you have, make a new YouTube page. Your new YouTube page, you drop 2 videos, okay? Just drop 2 videos, let it marinate. You want to have 5 hashtags in your description. Go on ChatGPT, ask them to create 5 viral hashtags for that video. You know what I'm saying? He had hashtags on his, and I need to go back and watch the video, but it was just like YouTube this and YouTube that, YouTube subscribe you, all that. He had 5 hashtags like that. I'm gonna go back and find out what it is. I'm gonna pause the video, or when I find out, I'll plug it in on the side over here somewhere. Then on YouTube, you have a tab called Posts. So if I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel right now, let's go to the actual channel. It'll say on the tabs, it'll say Posts. Let me show you. So as you can see right here, it says Post. You're gonna post something right there, and that's just going to be like it's just going to be like a picture. It's not going to be a video. It's just going to be like the thumbnail that you use for that YouTube. Make a post, write about what the actual picture is about. I mean, the video is about. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the drop 2 videos. We're going to use the 5 hashtags. You're going to make your YouTube post with the picture and the description that you get from ChatGPT. Might as well. And you're going to keep your YouTube, if you're going to do YouTube shorts, keep that separate from your long form content. Okay, that's what I've learned so far from this guy. I am taking notes. I feel like he is extremely knowledgeable, and if I had the funds to hire him and do a one-on-one, I would. But I think that he gives a lot of valuable information just in his videos as is. So I will definitely say, you know what, let's go ahead and let's subscribe to Learn with Trey, Trey. That's Learn with Trey. This is what he looks like. If you can see, that's him. That's his YouTube channel. And right now he's talking about another content creator that he follows, that he saw on YouTube. So I just, me personally, honey, I am coachable. Teach me something new, especially when it comes to this space, because there's so many people making so much money off of YouTube. It is insane. There's so many people making so much money off Instagram. It is insane. Facebook, insane. TikTok, insane. I told y'all how I got 10K off TikTok, off one video going viral and people buying my digital product from that viral video. So I'm kicking it back into gear, and hopefully y'all come along for the ride. But yeah, we definitely, let me find these hashtags for y'all so I can put them in the video. But y'all stay tuned. I am in my moo. I am in North Carolina right now at my sister's house, and I just found a little piece of place to do this. So I am definitely just gonna start creating these videos and posting them, and hopefully y'all come along for the ride, because baby girl, we got to eat. We need to, or whatever dance that we're doing. I don't know about that part. That part look kind of I don't know if I don't like that part, but I do. Yeah. I just gave y'all the full frontal of my moo. My bad. But yeah, we finna eat. Finna make this money, and we finna eat. Okay. That's it. Let me find these hashtags for you, and I'm gonna throw them in the video, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.